Davis. I'm going to do video 3 here on site. The song I'm working on now is going to be the last song on the CD, so I need to come up with my artwork for the CD, and I need to start pushing it, because when you go to push a product through magazines, it takes 2 to 3 months to send the ad to them to make it to print. So you got to always think ahead, come up with the name of something even before songs are written. So the album's gonna be called Not Dead Yet. So I'm doing a little tutorial about how, I'm gonna go back and show you about picking up the stones and stuff, but I'm gonna be playing it in the ground here. And I got my guitar all set, and so it's gonna be really interesting. I hope you like it, so just stay tuned and I'll show you through it. All right, so we're at Delaney Valley Memorial Gardens. We're picking up the headstone right now. So I got the backhoe coming out. We're gonna pick this up. We're gonna drive it to the farm where we're gonna do the photo shoot. And I will keep you, keep the film going there and show you all the cool parts to that. So, all right, so we're just gonna pick it up today then. All right, see you. All right, here we go. My hole. This is the backdrop where it's going to be. We're up here at Mount Pleasant Farms. My buddy Dave and Rich.
Don't get any better dirt than that, bro.
No, that's perfect. I'll lie in that all day. So when I do my shows on the road, I take that right there and ride in comfort. Dave behind the wheel, I call him Dave the grave digger. Don't make it too wide. Is that, yeah, it's good.
Steak. That's where you want it, right? I want some steak to steak.
Yeah, it's good. Oh boy, we're hitting rock already. Dig this hole 30 inches deep. I'm going to put some plywood down in there, and I'm going to build a support, and I'm going to be in there, and then we're going to take that dirt and we're going to cover me up. I'm going to set the headstone right in that area, but I'm going to take some time and build it up with some plywood and stuff. See, this headstone weighs probably about 300, 400 pounds, 350. So we don't want that rolling on me. So we won't let that happen. All right, I'll click back in a bit. All right, so what I did was I took some framework, put some studs over there, got a piece of plywood on there. So I'm gonna be in the hole, and I'm gonna stick my arm out that hole that I cut. Be buried with dirt, and I'm gonna be holding my flying V, and of course the title is going to be Not Dead Yet, and it's probably going to be an angle, I don't know, maybe like this, so you can see. I'm gonna put my logo on the I will Photoshop my logo onto the stone. I wasn't going to have that engraved at that kind of an expense. It was bad enough getting the damn thing over here. So it's probably like around 1 o'clock right now. I'll come back around 7 o'clock or maybe 6 o'clock. We'll get set up. We're going to get the backhoe over here with a load of dirt. We're going to get some shovels ready. We're going to get some lighting out here going. I'll probably do 2 shots. 1 shot when the sun is setting, because the sun sets over here and it's really pretty. So maybe the sky will look really pretty, around 7 or 7:30. And then I'll try a shot when it's fully dark, and should be really fun. So I'll get down there with a mask on and a cell phone so I can talk to everybody, and that'll be that. So I'll see you guys in about 5 hours. Bye. All right, here we are. We're getting ready to shoot right now, so I'm going in the hole. So, well, here we go. Here goes nothing. All right, babe. Get me in.
Slide it over this way. There. All right, you ready? Yep, want to put a shirt or something up there, or your arm up there now, or are you just going to block it?
Put my mask on right now. Hold on. Hold on 1 second.
Am I supposed to dump this on your arm, or are you going to hold it up?
Would you rather that?
Probably. I'll dump it in front, and then I'll just rake it behind it.
Okay.
Give an okay sign.
What happened to the rake?
Brendan's got it.
Yeah, all the loose stuff was on the top, too.
Dude, I felt it.
Did you?
I felt it.
Coming up by your head, hold on.
The top.
Is it coming in up by your head?
All right, don't worry about it.
I gotta cover up this edge. I'm here. Hey. I mean,
He's good.
you know. Yeah. Too much to your right. There you go, more. Like turning it at an angle.
Twist it more.
Like this.
Is it blocking his tattoos though?
No.
Hey, Dave, you get out of the
hold it.
picture.
Here. Go fix it.
Ava,
up
you
straight.
just look down.
Which way?
Up straight.
Straighter?
Yeah.
You got it like that?
Peek it out.
The bottom of the guitar is just touching the dirt. You alright with that? You want it up higher? If so, just grab up the neck a little bit, or I'll move you up a little.
Grab up the. I mean,
He could put the bottom on the ground.
Yeah, grab it, Dave, and I'll grab lower.
Alright.
We'll be
Okay.
ready to click. Get out of the picture, Dave. I know that she's got to go quick because he can't hold it now.
Who's that?
Should I try to get up here?
Up on the ladder? Sure. Go ahead, it's dug in.
Should we throw a few flowers on the grave yet?
I'll get one or two like this first. Huh?
Grab the guitar.
Okay.
You got it?
Hold on, don't go anywhere.
Well, I mean, let go for a minute if you need a
He
break.
said hold on.
Lexi, you about ready?
Yep.
That's a good look.
Oh my God, we killed Kenny.
Oh man, right in my shoe.
That's the crazy of all the issues right now. Yeah.
Richard's like, yeah.
Tell me about it.
Oh.
All right.
Plug it in, it takes a while.
All right.
These are fast.
Oh no.
Hold on. Let's
Let's think this through.
lift your right side. Stay over to this side.
No, because I want to come out with the camera.
Huh?
Can you go to the other side? Where's Megan?
Behind the
Over
light.
there? So which way? You want to open it up this way?
Yeah.
Can you push that way, or you need me?
Dracula here, right? Mary Pat, you got to come over to the other side.
Yeah, I don't want to be in this.
Hold on.
Megan, get in, zoom in close, because you're going to see all the dirt fall on your father's head.
Die.
Still a lot on there.
God. Hey, who woke me up here?
Beautiful.
That's how we do it. All right, so that was that. I survived. Woo! Rock on. Yeah, I don't suggest to anybody to ever try that. If you do it, I would do the framework for that kind of weight a little bit better than I did, because I certainly wasn't planning on that kind of weight. But it worked out great. So thank you, all my help. I have my girls helping me. I had Lexi Thompson at LT Photography doing the photo shoot. She did a fantastic job. I've used Lexi before, and I'm sure we'll use her many times in the future. Ava Dryvan, the model we use, she did a fantastic job. Thank you, Ava. Thanks to you, and special thanks to the Thompsons, Dave and Mary Pat, for letting me dig a grave in their yard. And you know, Dave had all the machinery, and he really helped me move the stone and dig the hole. So thank you so much. So there you go. I mean, I came up with a concept, and I, you know, borrowed the stone and asked Dave if I could use his property, and just made it work. And so, I mean, like, here's what I started off with. Just a picture. You can see me kind of holding the guitar up, you know, and got a rough idea, and we kind of pieced it together with the help of, you know, with Dave and Mary Pat and Lexi. So pulled that off. But so you see how that kind of pulled me away from doing the song. So I had to stop, because, like we said, for the advertisement, it's not 2 to 3 months for advertisement. It's about 1 to 2 months. You got to think ahead with the advertisement. But, you know, I'm doing this big interview and, like, Metalized magazine, some other great magazines. So I wanted to do my advertisement pushing the CD, which will be out in about 4 months. So their issues come out bi-monthly, so for that particular magazine, it was something that I need to get done. So I just had to put off where I was and just stop the recording process, and it took about a week to plan out this, to do this shot that I wanted to do, and the logistics and getting it done. So it happened pretty fast. So we got it done. So now I'm just going to proof the picture and all that stuff, and then I'll get my ads going, and I'll post the picture. And then it's going to be from now on, it's going to be pushing that album cover and all my ads. And then when this song comes out, this song and video, you'll see the artwork and the video for the first time when it's for sale, and it'll be on the album. So hopefully everything's going to turn out great. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for Crushing Notes for having me do this. I hope that was interesting. It was really cool. It was scary. It was intense. So I hope you like it. And when I was up at the farm, we were all riding the motocross, and I had Dave do a little ending where he jumped over me, and I thought it was really cool. When I was shooting it, it looked really neat. The video doesn't look that cool, but I'm going to give you a little glimpse of that. So, alright, I'll see you guys in a couple more weeks, and I'm going to get back to the recording end of things and do some solos and stuff like that, and I'll see you guys soon.